everybody on Facebook. Some of y'all might know I had an accident not too long ago. There's the old vehicle, 94 Honda Civic. I rear-ended somebody. Here is the new vehicle. It's a 1999 Honda Civic Hatchback DX. Got a really good deal on it, and she runs and drives. She's got a few issues, but for the price we paid for it, it's really not too bad. So I am on my way to get back up and rolling again. So yay me. And the car is in fairly decent shape with it being a 99. I think it looks pretty good. Got a little bit of damage over here on the passenger side, but that's practically cosmetic. We can pretty much bump that out, and then everything else. So there y'all have it. That's my new car. So yay me. I'm back up and rolling. So yeah, there we go.